Assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
This question says that each reaction is allowed to come to equilibrium and then the volume is changed as indicated. Predict the effect, shift right, shift left, or no effect of the indicated volume change. So here are the three equilibrium equations and whether or not the volume is going up or down. And I've written the ideal gas law here because this is kind of how I visualize how to solve these types of problems. If volume is changing, the left side of this reaction, this equation, is increasing. So the right side has to also increase for this to be true. R is constant, and we're going to assume temperature doesn't change, so it is constant. The only thing that can change is the number of moles, because if you shift left or right, there might be a different number of moles of gas on one side than there is on another. So for A, there's 2 moles of gas in the products and only 1 in the reactants. So that would be a way you could shift to make it match the volume change. So let's look at A specifically. If volume is increasing, the left side of PV equals nRT is increasing, N should also increase. To increase N, we need to move the reaction towards the side that has the greater number of moles of gas, and that's the product side. So we're going to shift this to the right to balance out this disturbance. In B, we're decreasing the volume. So if we look at PV equals nRT, if we're going to decrease V, we have to decrease N to match it. So we're going to move this reaction towards the side with the fewer number of moles of gas. Reactants has 2 moles, products has 2, plus 1 is 3, so we're going to move this to the left. And finally, for this equation, volume's decreasing, so volume's decreasing here. We should decrease N, but unfortunately, both sides of the equation have 2 moles of gas, 1 and 1 in the reactants and 2 in the products. So since there is no way to shift the reaction so that the number of moles is changing to balance the change in volume, this decrease in volume will have no effect.